Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing some zero cost activities which have some great benefits and require very less arrangement and materials which are easily available at home. So check out these awesome super easy activities to do with your little ones. The first activity is sorting coins. In this activity we need 1 and 2 rupee coins along with one magnet. We can use the magnets which we usually stick on our refrigerators. With the help of the magnet, ask your child to identify and sort the coins by sticking the magnet to the coins and putting it in different bowls. We can increase the level of difficulty by adding more coins such as 5 rupees or 10 rupee coins. This activity helps in number recognition and learning basic money concepts. The next activity is utensils art activity. This is great to encourage a child's creativity and imagination skills. Provide them with kitchen tools and let them explore and experiment in their own way. They can try to make different objects by using their imagination and judgment. It gives them a sense of independence which also increases their self-confidence. This is a fun activity in which we can use any beads, buttons or even peanuts along with any clip or clothespin. This activity involves pressing and releasing the clip. So children have to press the clothespin to open it, hold the beads or peanuts and transfer it to the empty bowl. This simple activity helps to refine those fine motor skills, attention and concentration, finger muscles and pencil grip. Offering such opportunities helps to explore interesting small objects in a range of ways to fire up children's curiosity. This is a super duper fun activity with great benefits. For this, we need a large container or a tray filled with 2 glasses of rice and 10 coins hidden inside the rice. Children enjoy finding out the coins and collecting it in a bowl. It is great for sensory tactile development and helps to stimulate curiosity, which enables them to discover and learn new things. This is another simple activity with some great benefits. We just have to give some toothpicks or matchsticks and a strainer spoon, which is easily available in our kitchen. Pushing those toothpicks through the tiny holes helps to improve eye-hand coordination, which prepares children for academics and everyday life skills. Also, it enhances bilateral coordination, which is the ability to use both the sides of the body, that is right and left, together in a coordinated way. I hope these activities were helpful. Do try them out, and if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications for my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video.